Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your data tracking with Supermetrics for ads reporting. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Supermetrics account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can see your data sources. Select the ads accounts you want to report on. Make sure these accounts are connected to your Supermetrics. Choose the specific metrics you want to track for your ads. Click on the settings icon to access configuration options. Opt for the time frame that aligns with your reporting needs. Decide if you want to include filters for specific campaigns or ad groups. Next, select the visualization options that best communicate your data. Run the query to pull the latest data from your ads accounts. Review the pulled data to ensure it aligns with your expectations. You may want to customize your data layout for better readability. If necessary, set up automated reporting schedules. This will ensure data is sent to your email or saved to Google Sheets regularly. Once satisfied, save your configuration for future use. Test the data pull by checking if the information updates as expected. Finally, familiarize yourself with the reporting interface for smooth navigation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.